Hi, my name's Steve Thorne. I'm CEO of Southeast Industrial Equipment, and I would like to welcome you to the Southeast Industrial Equipment family. I would like to tell you a little bit about the Toyota lift truck, as well as how Southeast Industrial Equipment came about. Toyota started selling lift trucks in the United States in 1967. At that time, they were one of the first foreign lift trucks that came across, and at that time, they had less than 1% market share. Vesco Material Handling started, which was one of the largest Toyota dealers in the United States. But again, it was a very, very small market at that point. In 1973, JM Family, which is a Southern Florida company that was in the Toyota car side of the business, was asked to buy Vesco Material Handling out. And they ended up purchasing 4 of our branches at that point. Those branches were Charlotte, Greenville, South Carolina, Florence, South Carolina, and Charleston, South Carolina. At that time, we had purchased a company in Wilson, North Carolina that was A.B. Tucker Lift Trucks, which made our 5th branch. In 1990, Toyota opened their plant in Columbus, Indiana, which they were the first Japanese manufacturer to put a plant in the United States. As of today, 96 to 7% of all of our lift trucks come from that plant. That plant also supplies Mexico and Canada. In 1991, I became president of Southeast Industrial Equipment. At that time, we had gone through 2 different other presidents, and the company was losing quite a bit of money at that point. We started with 85 associates when I took over in 1991, and we're up to 365 associates. In 1993, JM Family offered to let me purchase Southeast Industrial Equipment, which I did. Shortly thereafter, we opened up Columbia, South Carolina, which made our 6th branch. And then after that, we went to Savannah, Georgia. Toyota gave us that territory when they canceled the dealer down there that made us into our 7th branch. In 1999, Toyota asked us to take over the Richmond territory, which we were able to do. In 2006, I made the announcement that Corey Thorne would take over as president and I would be the CEO, at which time I have retired from the day-to-day functioning of the business and has turned that over to Corey. In 2007, we bought an independent dealer out that covered the Raleigh area, and we decided to open a branch up in Raleigh that would help us take care of that territory and continue our branch in Wilson at the same time. 2017, they asked us to take Norfolk, Virginia. So now we have almost the whole state of Virginia. We have the whole state of South Carolina. We have 9 counties in Georgia, and we have the Charlotte market and the Wake Forest to the coast and to Richmond border for North Carolina. With the influence of JM Family and what they were able to teach me about a family business, I've been able to incorporate into Southeast Industrial Equipment. I think our associates have always been number 1, and this has made the environment in Southeast Industrial Equipment what it is today.